Virginia cats made a Philadelphia frog. Does that smell interesting? Now don't kill it. I think the frog knows to stay in. Alright, Lola, I'm going to introduce you, but don't hurt it, okay? You can grab him, but don't claw him or bite him. Frog? For a frog that's been trying to escape this thing for 24 hours, he sure doesn't want to come out. Aww, this is sad. Okay, kitty. No, no, no. Don't put them in your mouth. No. Okay, good. He's not eating them. I think Oranjello's lost interest. No! No!
You didn't even have his claw out.
I know, but I just don't think it's a good idea for him to be doing that. And he listened, so good kitty. I mean, I think he understands this is like not food. Hide behind the fluffy tail, Oranjello. Don't you call him. Okay, so they're kind of entertained, but since they can't like kill it, they don't really. They'd be more entertained if they could kill it. I think they'd be very happy to have a little frog. No.
Which one of them is purring?
I don't hear purring. What's it mean when the time on the video turns red? I think it's like almost out of space or battery or something.